Nabila Sasakirani and I want to become a social media specialist and my dream country is Netherlands.
Hello, my name is Alina Zalsabila. You can call me Ale, and my dream job is to become internal communication coordinator, and my dream country is Netherlands.
My name is Philip Derikin. My dream job is to become a drifter and my dream country is Japan.
Hello, my name is Muhammad Fauzan Amir Dinardi and my dream job is director and my dream country is Japan.
Hello, my name is Tariq Alafid. My dream job is to become a director and my dream country is Japan.
I already have an interest to live in Japan since I was a kid, specifically after I watched Fast and Furious Tokyo Drift. Besides that, one of my closest friends already live in Japan because of his job. Almost every night, we always talk to each other about our life in a day, and my friends told me about how life in Japan is, such as the food, the place, and so on. By listening to his stories is enough to make me want to go there.
We would all agree if Netherlands is one of the greatest countries that ever graced on earth. Listen, my hobby at the moment is traveling and strolling around Bandung. I do my hobby because every time I saw a beautiful scenery, it feels like my eyes pour with all of positive energy. Then sometimes I record and post it on my social media on how gorgeous the scenery is. It is a must for me to live in Netherlands.
I actually had this dream to live my life in Netherlands when I'm already at my senior high school. I clearly remember how I chose Netherlands as my dream country. It was actually when I got questioned on my dream country when I'm at my second year. I randomly picked Netherlands. But that's the turning point on how Netherlands became my dream country. After that question, I immediately searched up for Netherlands and then I love every single thing on Netherlands.
I'm a simple man. I see pretty girl. I'm happy. I'm not gonna lie. Why I chose Japan as my dream country was simply because of Japanese girl is my standard. I love watching anime, and my top one anime on my list is Steins Gate, and that also because of the heroine named Makise Kurisu. She is a wife material anime girl, and it baffles me enough because in this world with 8 billion people, there are no girl who's the replicate of Makise Kurisu. So I think I'll choose the girl who's close to Makise Kurisu, and it has to be Japanese girl.
When we heard about Japan, we already know how people would think about it. Yes, it is Japan, advanced technology. I'm sure a lot of people of social media already saw one of those video clips that show how advanced Japan technology is. The thing that keep our phone from getting splashed by the water, the toilet that's what our body on is on, the futuristic infrastructure, and a lot of more.
Actually, there are no important correlation between my dream job and my dream country. I feel like becoming a director has to be required to direct in anywhere and in any conditions. But I always had a dream where at my older age, I'll find my future wife from Japan. Then we got married and live happily ever after. When I go to work, my future wife will wait for me in our house. That's my plan around 5 to 10 years later.
Work in Netherlands will suit me enough when I become a social media specialist. We all know that social media specialist is focusing on make a plan and executing some content on social media. If I live in Netherlands, it will give me a lot of benefit because I think every object in Netherlands can be included in a content, and it will give netizens satisfaction and a feeling want to go there soon.
There are a few things to know about how things are done. First one is equality. In the Netherlands, they really value treating everyone fairly at work. Second one is team collaboration. Netherlands work culture encourages teamwork and collaboration among team and department. It's essential to understand the work ethic as well, like direct communication, respect for hierarchy, and work-life balance.
Not just influenced me to live in Japan, Fast and Furious Tokyo Drift also inspired me to become a drifter. There is this character named Han in that movie. His presence in the movie is so cool and badass. He even had one of my favorite cars. It is Mazda RX-7. Also, his job in the movie is a drifter. I think the place, the car and the roads in Japan will soon be enough for me to become a drifter.
Based on how advanced Japan technology is, I'm sure it will help me enough when I become a director. Maybe right now I can only imagining myself to direct a movie in Japan. But in 5 until 10 years later, I'm sure Japan will have such a futuristic gadget to help me direct a movie, such as flying camera on its own, tripod that follow the in-frame object, and a lot of more.
As I said earlier, I love every single thing in Netherlands. But the one thing that I love the most is how prestigious company in Netherlands. Become internal communication coordinator in one of the most prestigious company in Netherlands will be very challenging. That is because I have to learn how company in Netherlands can be this prestigious.
The work culture of social media specialists in Netherlands is that first, they implement a work-life balance system. Second, during working hours, they will avoid activities such as gossip or hanging out because time is money. Last, employees in the Netherlands will say no to the boss when the work limit is too much.
Regarding Japanese work etiquette, drifting may not have specific protocols, but the drift community values loyalty and mutual care. Therefore, demonstrating care and respect for fellow drifters constitutes the essence of work etiquette in the sphere. Additionally, there are certain techniques observed in drifting: courtesy roll, randoming, and passing.
According to some webpages, work culture in Japan is divided into 5 parts. The first one is seiri or work regularly. The second one is seiton or working orderly. The third one is seisho or work value that refers to cleanliness. The fourth one is seiketsu or maintenance from the 3 previous points. The fifth or the last one is the most important things and the most well-known culture from Japan. It is shitsuke or discipline and hard work. By Japan's work culture, we can tell why Japan can be one of the most wanted to visit country. I already aware about Japan's work culture. Because of that, I work really hard to discipline myself.
To build a career as a director in Japan, there are several work culture to be aware of, including long working hours, strict rules, and high pressure. In addition, there are some important work ethics that foreigners looking to build a career as a director in Japan should know, including respect, seniority, and hard work and dedication.